CURLIN 380 Administration Sets. The CURLIN 380 Administration Sets are a family of disposable infusion sets that are compatible with CURLIN 8000, CURLIN 6000, and CURLIN PainSmart infusion pumps. These new 380 sets will replace the CURLIN 340 administration sets. The CURLIN 380 administration sets are very similar to the 340 sets, with a few important enhancements. For sets which include a filter, a different brand of filter is used, but the functionality remains the same. The new 380 set filter requires a different priming method. Invert the filter so the arrow points upward during priming, and close the slide clamp when finished. For sets without filters, the priming instructions are the same as the previous 340 sets. Refer to the 380 set instructions for use, located in the set packaging and on moogmedical.com for full priming details. The yellow freeflow protection device now features a half-moon-shaped breakaway tab instead of the previous full moon shape, making it easier to remove. The arm on the yellow freeflow protection device is longer, which makes loading the set into the pump easier. The 380 sets are fully compatible with the CURLIN 8000 pump and remain backwards compatible with CURLIN 6000 and CURLIN PainSmart pumps. They are validated for up to 96 hours of use with the CURLIN 8000 pump and up to 72 hours with the CURLIN 6000 and PainSmart pumps. Most 380 product codes correspond directly to existing 340 codes, with some new configurations also available. For more information, visit moogmedical.com/380, scan the QR code, or contact your Moog sales representative.